Hey guys, it's Julia. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Obviously today's video is a vegan what I eat. This is going to be my very realistic lazy version because this is a busy week. But we will be making some home cooked meals, some lazy home cooked meals for the most part. And I'll be showing you guys how I still eat healthy even when I'm doing a bunch of stuff and super busy. So if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you never miss another one of my videos. I post every Saturday at 3 p.m. EST, 12 p.m. PST. And give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy what I eat in weeks and you want to see more vegan meals and healthy food ideas. Let's just go ahead and get into the meals. Ignore my crazy hair. I'm in the middle of getting ready. But we're starting this video off real strong. I actually forgot to get oats for my breakfast this morning because I typically eat oats. And I forgot to get some and I'm out. So I'm gonna be having this no cow bar. I've never tried this flavor. It's the chocolate fudge brownie. I've tried their birthday cake, chocolate chip, and chocolate peanut butter, but I haven't tried this one. It has 21 grams of protein and only 7 grams of sugar. It's not bad. It's a little dry and proteiny, but it does taste chocolatey. So it's lunchtime right now, and I really don't have time to make anything extravagant, so I think I'm just gonna heat up this Trader Joe's fried rice. I tried it last night, and it's really, really good. I wish I could have something else with it. Like, I had these veggie tater tot things from Trader Joe's with it last night, and it was so good. It would have been a great meal for lunch today because it's so quick to make, and all I have to do is microwave the rice, but we're out of them. Okay, so I actually ended up making this a better meal than it was gonna be because I added a garden salad with some dressing and then the fried rice, which is so much better than the box fried rice from Trader Joe's. You have to get the frozen bag one. This actually has tofu and edamame in it, so it gives you some protein and it just tastes so good. So I'm gonna eat this and check back in with you guys later. Okay guys, please don't judge me, but I'm about to finish my less than half of an iced peppermint mocha from yesterday because sometimes if I don't finish my coffee, I'll like save it and drink it the next day. I know it's gross, but like. Okay, so now it's dinner time and I'm gonna be making jackfruit sausages rice with a guacamole on top. I actually made this in my self-care video, but it's one of my favorite dishes to make, so I'm gonna be making it again. Here's the finished meal. It's really good. I feel like it's kind of healthy. Like, I don't know if the frying of the sausages is that healthy, but they have a lot of protein in it. And then there's avocado, the jackfruit is healthy, and then we have rice. I'm gonna eat this. Good morning guys, it is Tuesday. It's February 22nd, 2022, so all the twos. And I made myself my classic oatmeal, which I showed you how I made in my morning routine, so you can go click the I to watch it if you want. I made it without banana today. Sometimes I make it with banana, but anyway, we're gonna eat this. So this is an oat draft chai latte. Delish. I've never tried it before, but it's really good. She likes it too. What'd you get?
I got a cap and I put a straw in it.
And then see the bags in the back? We put together wholesale packages of the Jewel Swim bathing suits.
A marketing bag.
It's one size of each bathing suit, and we're taking them, and also like the accessories, like the skirts, scrunchies, and the headbands, and we're taking them to different local boutiques to see if they're interested in selling them in their store. And one of them, like right next to La Colombe, actually took one of the bags to look at, and they're gonna have a meeting tomorrow about it. Yeah. We'll see. And then we're gonna go to one more store. We got coffee while we were out. My mom ran in to grab our lunch from this place called Pho Street right here. They have really good vegan pho and vegan crispy spring rolls, so we're gonna be having that for lunch. I'll show you guys in a second. So tonight's dinner is the leftovers from yesterday's dinner, which is the jackfruit, sausages, rice, and guac. So So for my dessert, I'm gonna be having 1 or 2 of these little mini vegan ice creams from Trader Joe's. They're so good. Good morning, it's Wednesday. We're gonna be starting off breakfast with no banana today because I'm still not really in a banana mood. Okay, so for lunch, I'm gonna be having yesterday's lunch leftovers. We have the vegan pho with tofu, and then we have half of the vegan crispy spring roll. Ta-da! It's 4 o'clock. I'm about to go meet my friends in the city. We're gonna go walk and get smoothies because it's so nice and warm today. It's like the first like spring day. I mean, then we've had some spring days, but it's like the warmest one we've had so far. And I think it's still considered winter currently, but it is 68 degrees and sunny. And I'm so excited. I'm gonna get this cherry chocolate chip smoothie. It's so good, but I'm gonna drive there right now. Okay, so for dinner, I'm gonna be having this vegan Chick-fil-A sandwich. Wait, I feel like this does need to be heated. I'm gonna eat it cold because honestly, I can't be bothered with cooking anything right now. It's been a long day. This is actually from a local organic market, but I'm sure you can get similar things from Whole Foods like this. So I'm gonna eat this, even though it's cold, because I'm hungry. So for dessert, I'm gonna be having these protein balls, and I don't know if it's really dessert because they're like healthy, but this one is fruity and this one is chocolate. I've never tried the chocolate one, but I've tried the fruity one. It's really good, so I kind of want to try the chocolate one. Yeah, that is really good. And then, yeah, very good. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday and it's breakfast time. So I'm gonna go downstairs and get this frozen burrito that's from an organic market, but I think you can get them at like Whole Foods. Okay, so here's the burrito. I feel like it looked better on the packaging. I mean, it's good, but it's not like the best vegan burrito ever, but it was a frozen meal, so like it makes sense. I might have had this in a previous What I Eat in a Week, but I can't remember. Okay, so for lunch, I'm having this vegan lasagna from Whole Foods and some Trader Joe's rice. Guys, remember yesterday when the weather was nice? Now it's rainy and really cold. It's probably like 35, 40 degrees. But I have to stop at UPS to drop off this package. So I'm gonna get, hopefully, a red velvet latte. I really wanna try that if they still have it at this coffee shop called Green Engine, which is like the best coffee in the suburbs of Philly, in my opinion. So I'm either gonna get that or a mocha. Just kidding, it's actually 33 degrees and it sleeted on my car. Guys, there's literal icicles where my windshield wipers are. It's crazy. Okay, so I got my red velvet latte and they put a little heart on it. So when I was ordering it, the guy said they were out of red velvet lattes, but I guess they had the stuff to make it anyway. But let's try it. Oh my god, it's so good. I also got my mom a peppermint mocha iced, and I want to try. Shh, don't tell her. They're both so good. I just spilt it all over myself. Wow. I'll see you at dinner. Okay, it's now dinner time and I was gonna cook, but I've been editing all day and I'm really tired and it's already 6:41 and I'm hungry. So we're just gonna make a frozen meal because we have some in the freezer. So let's see. We still have some leftover rice, so I can microwave this. We have these from Trader Joe's now that I can cook up on the fryer real quick. So we actually will cook a little, but light cooking. And the rest of this is so good. I want more of this. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday and I'm having the same breakfast I had yesterday today. So I'm having that vegan burrito, some fresh squeezed orange juice, and some ketchup on the side to dip the burrito in. So I've been editing literally all day, just trying to get this video done for tomorrow. Like, YouTube is hard work, guys. Like, if you know, you know. So it's 3 p.m. right now, so it's past lunchtime. But I'm gonna be making my lunch now. And I'm gonna be making a vegan risotto, or like my version of a vegan risotto, which is a lazy risotto, because you'll see, you'll see. Let's make that. So I've literally been editing all day and now it's 8:30 and I'm not cooking again. So tonight's dinner is gonna be a frozen meal. Here's the little cupcake, and my frozen meal was actually really good. So yes, cheers with the cupcake. This is really good. I'm gonna get some milk. Good morning guys, it's Saturday and I just made the usual protein oats for brekkie this morning. So I'm gonna eat these because I'm super hungry. It's like 10:45 already. Okay guys, so I finished editing. I finished editing like way earlier in the morning, but I wasn't feeling that well today. So I was like kind of taking it slow. I showered. I didn't wash my hair yet. I'm gonna wash my hair probably tomorrow. So I'm gonna go to one of my favorite coffee shops in University City in Philly called Grindcore, and I'm gonna get probably a breakfast sandwich, and then I'm gonna get my mom a coffee, and then I'm gonna get me a coffee. So we're gonna probably get like some type of mocha, and then there's Dottie's Donuts that's like right next door, and I'm gonna get like maybe a donut or two. We got the donuts and oh my god, I'm so excited about them. I actually also got a cosmic brownie, which is like, if you remember like cosmic brownies like back in like the early 2000s and 90s, it's basically that but vegan. So it's a brownie with like chocolate frosting and sprinkles. So I got my sandwich. They didn't cut it in half, but they usually do. And this is it. It has tofu, bacon, cheese, mayo, and avocado, oh, and jalapenos, and obviously all vegan. Let's try it before we hit the road. Very, very good. Exactly what I wanted. And then I got 2 raspberry mochas. One for me and one for my mom. So let's try mine. They have very good raspberry mochas here. That's perfect. So good. Now let's go because it's cold out here. Okay, so it is dinner time and I'm gonna be having the leftovers from last night did I cook it last night? I guess I cooked it like yesterday afternoon, the vegan risotto. I just put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, so it should be ready. I added a little extra sauce because I feel like the rice kind of like soaks it up. Now we're gonna add a little bit of nutritional yeast for some flavor on top. It's kind of like a vegan Parmesan in my opinion. I don't know if you can tell, it's like more flaky than actual Parmesan. But it adds like a cheesy flavor. And ta-da! That's my dinner. Guys, I'm about to have my donuts for dessert. Yay! Good morning guys, it's Sunday, our last day of this What I Eat in a Week. So I'm gonna be making an omelet for breakfast because I have this Just Egg. It's like a really good egg supplement in my opinion. I think it's the most like realistic vegan egg. So I'm having a late lunch because I had a late breakfast, but I picked up this salad from Trader Joe's. It's just a vegan ranch salad. It comes with everything, like the little sprinkly stuff on top, and the vegan ranch dressing was like in the mix. Then I just threw on these falafels. They're from a local Philly organic market called Mom's. Very healthy! So I decided I really wanted a smoothie from my new favorite smoothie spot, the place we went on Wednesday. So I'm gonna go and get one. They have the cherry chip smoothie, and I feel like today or tomorrow might be the last day for it since it's like the last day of February tomorrow. So I'm gonna go now and get one. For our last meal for dinner, I'm gonna be having just a little bit of the leftover risotto. That smoothie I had earlier and the protein balls really filled me up. Okay, so that's it for the week and that's it for my meals. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more vegan What I Eat in a Week, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I will either see you in my next video next week or my previous video, which you can click at the end. I love you guys so much. Bye!